Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your Android version and JVC model so Bluetooth profiles match. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. This helps the head unit find your device immediately. Next, power the JVC stereo, press the source or Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode, and watch for blinking indicators. Make sure your phone is near the dash and not connected to other devices, because proximity and exclusivity speed discovery and prevent conflicts during pairing. You now pair and set audio preferences. On your phone, tap the JVC name shown in Bluetooth scans. When a code appears, confirm it on both devices to establish trust. After pairing, grant permissions for media, calls, and contacts so audio and hands-free features work. This is why some functions fail if denied. Then, on the stereo, choose the paired phone as the audio source and ensure a 2DP and AVIC are active for music streaming and remote control. Test playback to verify volume and track controls respond. You finish by testing calls, music streaming, and steering wheel control behavior. Make a short call and play a track to confirm mic and audio routing. If audio is choppy or controls fail, clear the Bluetooth cache on Android, reboot the phone and stereo, then delete and repair the connection. This fixes most state errors. If problems persist, update the JVC firmware and Android OS to ensure profile compatibility. One key troubleshooting tip: always check mute, input, and volume limits before deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.